Hi, it's Cora, and we're here at Yoga Lab, and I'm here with the Bhoga alignment system again, and I want to show you some things to do with the Bhoga. So we've got the alignment mat, the Bhoga itself. We love the Bhoga, it's really fun. You can get a lot of different sensations in some of the poses that I'm going to show you. So I'm going to show you a variation of Eka Pada Rajakapotanasana, also known as pigeon, in a vertical stance. So this is not for beginner yogis, and it's going to be a bit more hip opening than you might be used to. But I've set up the system for my height. What's nice about the system, again, of course, is that you can change the height easily. So for myself, what I've done for myself is I've set this up at the height that it's about underneath my armpit, so I can lean on it when I do a twisting Eka Pada. So the lines of the bars are actually lining up with the mat itself, with the dots on the mat, so I can see the alignment of my two sides. I'm just going to show you one side, but you could do a comparison of the two sides, and you might be surprised. I was. My not so open side was not so open, not even with the other. So it's helped me get more aligned. So I've set up the foam roller on top here just to give me something more cushioning to stand on, to put my leg. I'm going to put my foot in the middle of the alignment mat so that I know that I'm in the middle of the position. And then I'm going to take my right leg and I'm going to take it up into the Eka Pada position, right? So if you were laying down on the floor, it would be the same position of Eka Pada Rajakapotanasana. It would just be that you would be taking the leg in this position. So we're just doing that vertically. So I'm taking my leg up here. What you'll see immediately is you can see that my knee might easily be up. And do you see what happens to the hip? So as I work to open from the hip, not the knee, okay, that's not what we do, but we open from the hip. So if the hip is coming out like this, I can use this in my body to open, pull up on the standing leg, and come into a standing Eka Pada Rajakapotanasana. I can see the alignment of my knee and my foot. I can reach up to the bars. I can even pull myself up so I can lengthen down. I can walk away to get more length in the body, or I can walk in. Now I can turn. This is the best part. I can turn. Remember I said it was for my armpit? So I'm putting my armpit here, and I'm able to hold on to this bar. And as I hold on to this bar, I can push with my hand. Oh. Now as I push, do you see this hip wants to come up? So as I push, I can roll the hip down. It's so delicious. Now from here, I can contact my arm, pull the hand, rotate. If I want more, I can slide through, push again on the bar, and rotate. And then I can reach up and hold on to the bar here. And then if I get more open, I can just reach over and I can resist. I can resist by pushing and keep, and as this hip wants to roll up, see that? I can roll the hip away. For Eka Pada Rajakapotanasana, variation on Bhoga.